centuries ago, two powerful civilizations faced off in a struggle that would alter the course of human events. One was Rome, a rising republic fueled by ambition. The other was Carthage, a maritime empire built on trade and wealth. Their rivalry culminated in three devastating conflicts known as the Punic Wars. These clashes were not just battles, they reshaped the Mediterranean world. The First Punic War began for control of Sicily, an island coveted for its fertile lands and strategic position. In 264 BC, both powers sought dominance, but neither could have foreseen how long or costly the struggle would become. Rome, lacking naval experience, built a fleet from scratch, introducing the corvus, a boarding bridge designed to counter Carthaginian seamanship. Major victories at sea, such as the Battle of Cannae, marked Rome's emergence as a formidable naval force. The Second Punic War brought to bear one of the greatest military minds in history, Hannibal Barca. Determined to strike at the heart of Rome, he led his army across the Alps, elephants and all, catching the Romans off guard. His crushing victory at Cannae demonstrated tactical brilliance, encircling and annihilating a much larger Roman force. However, despite these triumphs, Hannibal was unable to secure final victory. Rome's resilience allowed it to recover, eventually turning the tide under leaders such as Scipio Africanus. In 202 BC, the decisive moment came at the Battle of Zama. Scipio faced Hannibal in North Africa, using clever tactics to neutralize Carthage's war elephants and outnumber its forces. This defeat shattered Carthage's power, forcing it to surrender and accept harsh terms. Rome emerged victorious, establishing itself as the dominant force in the Western Mediterranean. 50 years later, tensions flared again in the Third Punic War. Fearful of a resurgence of Carthage, Rome launched a preemptive strike. After a brutal 3-year siege, Carthage fell in 146 BCE. Its walls were torn down, its fields salted, and its population sold into slavery. Although exaggerated accounts persist, the destruction underscored Rome's determination to eliminate any threat to its supremacy. The Punic Wars transformed Rome from a regional powerhouse to a global hegemon. They also demonstrated the consequences of unbridled rivalry and the lengths to which nations will go to achieve dominance. While Carthage may be gone, its memory lives on through the lessons it left behind. This chapter of history reminds us of the enduring interplay between ambition, strategy, and survival.